Alright, boys and girls, friends and neighbors, gearheads of all ages, just wanted to let you know we're here at the Bassett Cruise Inn in Bassett, Virginia, named after the furniture. All the furniture factories built right here along the river, and we have a really sharp 1940 Ford, and it is a Ford Delux. Now, I'm going to walk through and probably, shoot a line of some of these, but this car is super nice. I just want to do a quick walk around of it and see. Stock looking car, which is pretty cool. That's kind of the way I like them. But man, it is clean. What a nice looking car. I'm going to walk around. The thing I like about these cars, and this is a two-door, but it's not a coupe. It's a two-door, I guess it'd be a sedan or a coach. I like those tail lights, almost look like army straps. It's a 1940. This is a V8, so it's probably a flathead. I'm sure you can see dual pipes on it. If you bear with me here, we're going to try and video a few. Bear with us on the sound. They are playing music here at this cruise in, and Bob may have to edit some of that out. But we will try to bring you some cool cars just the same. So bear with us.